So that's what I want to do. Now, if we have never met, let me just give you quickly, just a quick breakdown, and tell you who is Vick Strizheus. Listen, I'm a regular guy. I'm a 31-year-old. I'm a husband, been happily married for over 10 years now. Thank you, Jesus. And we have 5 phenomenal, awesome kids, and I live in South Dakota, and this is a picture of my beautiful family over here that I've been blessed with. Grateful for them every single day, right? I am an entrepreneur. I'm a speaker, I'm an author, and a business coach. Known as the go-to strategist for traffic and conversions in our space. I'm the creator of products such as, you might heard of Internet Traffic Formula. High Traffic Academy is another product that I'm a creator of, and I'm also founder of High Traffic Academy as well. And I've created tons of other marketing systems for network marketing companies, for affiliate marketing products, for affiliate marketers, and just been around this space for about 10 years. Been very privileged and blessed to work with over 50,000 students and clients from over 150 different countries as of today, and growing, and that's been very, very rewarding for me personally. Here is 3 things I want you to know about me. I love God, I love my family, and I love people. Like my followers, there is nothing better for me than to get feedback from my followers, from people who implement the stuff that I share and teach and present, and my followers going out there and students going out there getting results and reporting back. That stuff money can't buy, and that's why I do what I do. Every single day, I wake up fired up for the day because I get to make a difference for somebody that day, right? So that's a little bit about myself. And I operate my business on a, some people can say it's a weird thing, right, or a weird idea, but I built my business on this foundation. I built my business on a foundation that I got from a book that I'm reading every single day, and it's the most awesome book ever written on success. And it goes like this, and it says, "Whoever desires to become great among you shall be your servant." And over the last 10 years, I have been building my business on this principle, right? So if I want to have a lot of success in my business, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to serve people, right? I'm just going to serve people. And that's what I would encourage you to do as well. We're going to talk a lot about that, a lot about strategies and everything. How do you actually combine this stuff together? We're going to have a lot of fun. Right? It's going to be pretty interesting. But here is something I want to tell you. There is a lot of marketers, and I see a lot of people saying, don't give your best stuff out, sell it, right? Just give a little bit and then sell it, and then sell the actual thing, right? I don't believe in that. I believe in giving your best stuff. Why? Because if it's been proven in my life, in my business, over and over and over again, the more I give, the more blessed I get. And you know what? I don't know about you, but I love blessings. I love to be blessed, right? So I'm going to give you a lot today. And another thing I want you to know is this. When we're talking about giving value, right? And if you're a marketer, this is just a side note, side lesson for you real quick, right? Here's the thing. Just like in physical health, right? If we want to be healthy, right, we want to watch what we eat, what we put in our mouth, right? Same thing goes in your business world. If you want to be healthy as a business, if you want to build a healthy business, healthy company, right? If you want to be a healthy marketer from a marketing perspective, from a business perspective, you have got to watch out what you consume, the information that you consume. There is a lot of garbage out there, right? In our physical health, if we start eating junk all the time, every day, junk food and a lot of, sugars and stuff like that, well, we're going to be out of shape, right? In business world, if we start listening to a lot of junk that's being bombarded to us, that we get bombarded, on a daily basis, we will run our business straight into the ground and we're going to suffer, right? So, my friend, here's my promise to you for this training series. I'm gonna feed you healthy. All right, we're gonna eat some good proteins. We're gonna eat some good, carbs, a little bit of them. We're gonna eat some good fats, right? Some whole grains, all that stuff. We're not gonna have any sugar. No sugar for you today. All right, no sugar for you for this entire training series, and that's a good thing because I want to keep you healthy, my friend. If you have followed me for any period of time, you will, you will know that, I'm not gonna tell you what you want to hear. I'm not gonna tell you what people want to hear. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I'm gonna give you, and tell you like it is. I'm going to share from my experience, and my results are my results. Listen, some of the ideas I'm going to share with you, I hope you implement them in your business, right? And I hope you implement a lot of these ideas, and I hope you go out there and just jump, with both feet. But I also want you to realize this. I'm going to be sharing with you and showing you some stuff that's going to be pretty mind-blowing, okay? True, but pretty mind-blowing. we're all adults here, I hope, okay? Again, I'm looking through this camera. You can see me, but I can't really see you. But I hope that, you know what, you understand that what I'm going to be showing you, I just legally and just morally, ethically, I will not and cannot guarantee you any results whatsoever, okay? So if I show you some numbers, some examples, some strategies, and I say, you know what, here's what it did for me, it's no guarantee that it's going to do the same thing for you. It can do a lot more for you. It can do less. And if you don't take any action, there is usually no results if you don't take action, right? So just to get that out of the way, let's talk about this, right? Let's dive straight into this. Here is, if you're building your business, at the end of the day, right, you started in this business because why? Because you want to, sell more stuff, you want to make more money. At the end of the day, I think people start in this industry because they want to improve their lifestyle. That's why I started. That's why probably you started, right? But there is two very important laws that you need to understand if you want to build a profitable, very, very successful business. If you want to dominate in your marketplace, there is two very important laws you need to understand. Everything else is going to be built on those two laws. Here it goes.